I was scrolling through Instagram at 2 a.m. last night when I saw my classmate posting about her new laptop. And I'm thinking, wait, didn't she just complain about being broke last month? So I messaged her and asked what's going on. She told me she's been making around $1,000 every month from something she does on weekends. I got curious. I started asking around, checking forums, talking to people who are actually making extra money right now. And what I found surprised me. There are these side hustles that almost nobody knows about yet. But the people doing them are making serious cash. Not in 5 years, not someday, but right now in 2025 going into 2026. I'm going to share 7 of these with you. You can pick one and start tonight if you want. No degree needed, no big investment, just you and your phone or laptop. Let's go. 1. People pay you because you're better at using AI than they are. This sounds weird at first, but stick with me. Everyone's using ChatGPT and similar tools now. Students, parents, business owners, everyone. But most people are really bad at it. They type something basic like, "Help me with my essay," and get a boring response back. You know what actually works? Asking the right way, being specific, knowing which words make AI give you gold instead of garbage. And guess what? People will pay you for that knowledge. You can create these things called prompt templates. Think of them like recipe cards, but for AI. A student studying for exams buys your study prompt pack. A mom planning meals buys your meal planning prompts. A small business owner buys your email writing prompts. You make these once, sell them on Etsy or Gumroad, and people keep buying them while you sleep. Some people are already making $2,000 to $3,000 doing this every month. You spend zero money to start. Just learn what makes AI respond well, create a collection, and put it up for sale. 2. Buy a digital product once, then sell it 100 times. Remember when your uncle used to buy stuff at garage sales and sell it for more at flea markets? This is like that, but you never leave your bed and you never run out of inventory. You find digital products with resale rights. Could be an ebook about fitness, a planner template, a mini course about photography, anything digital really. You buy it one time for maybe $15 to $40. Then you're allowed to sell it as many times as you want and keep all the money. Now most people just resell it exactly how they bought it. That's lazy and it doesn't work well. You need to make it better. Put a new cover on that ebook. Add a bonus checklist that helps people use it better. Take 3 products and bundle them together with a catchy name. My friend Sarah does this. She started in July and she's making $4,000 a month now. She works on it maybe 8 to 10 hours a week, usually on Saturday mornings and a few evenings. She tests products, sees what sells, then focuses on those winners. 3. Create one organizing template and sell it forever. You ever spend an hour making your notes look perfect with colors and sections and everything organized just right? What if people paid you for that? Notion is this app everyone uses now to organize their life. But when you open it for the first time, it's just a blank page and you have no idea what to do. That's why people buy templates. They want someone else to build the system so they can just start using it. You could make a template for students to track assignments, or a budget tracker for people trying to save money, or a wedding planner for engaged couples, or a content calendar for someone starting a YouTube channel. You make it once. Upload it to Etsy or Gumroad. Price it anywhere from $5 to $100 depending on how detailed it is. Then it sells while you're at class, while you're sleeping, while you're watching Netflix. You're not trading time for money anymore. There are people paying their rent just from Notion templates they made months ago. You don't need to be some tech expert either. If you can use Google Docs, you can use Notion. 4. Companies pay you to tell them what's wrong with their website. Every company building a website or app has the same problem. They're too close to it. They know how everything works because they built it. But regular people visiting for the first time? They get confused, they get lost. They give up and leave. That's why these companies pay you to test their stuff. You spend 15 to 30 minutes just clicking around and trying to complete tasks like find the pricing page or sign up for an account while recording your screen and saying your thoughts out loud. You're literally just sharing your honest opinion. This button is hard to find. I don't understand what this means. This page loads too slow. They want to hear all of it. Websites like User Testing and Try My UI connect you with these companies. Each test pays between $10 and $60. Do 3 or 4 tests a week and you've got an extra few $100s that month. You can do this from your couch, wearing whatever you want, whenever you have 30 minutes free. 5. Getting paid to read books you'd read anyway. This one feels almost too easy. Authors who self-publish their books need reviews before they launch. Reviews help their books show up on Amazon and other platforms. More reviews mean more people see it, which means more sales. These authors will pay you to read their book and leave an honest review. You're not writing some fake 5-star review. You're actually reading it and sharing what you genuinely think. Each review pays around $20 to $50 depending on the book length. There are platforms that connect readers with authors who need reviews. You sign up, pick books that sound interesting to you, read them on your own time, write the review, and get paid. Or take it further. Start posting about books on TikTok or YouTube, just you talking about what you're reading, what you liked, what you didn't like. Once you get a few thousand people following you, publishers start reaching out and paying you to feature their books. It starts small but can grow into real money if you post consistently. 6. Help people dress better and decorate their rooms over video calls. You know that friend everyone asks for outfit advice? Or the person in your family who's good at making rooms look nice? You can get paid for that now. People want their apartment to look better, but they don't want to hire some expensive interior designer who charges thousands of dollars. They want quick help from a real person who gets it. Same with clothes. They want to dress better, but personal stylists are too expensive. You do this all online. Someone sends you photos of their closet or their living room. You jump on a quick video call or just send them a voice message with suggestions. Move this here, add this color there, try pairing this with that. You can charge $30 to $100 for each consultation. Each one takes about an hour, maybe less once you get good at it. Post some before and after examples on Instagram or TikTok, showing the changes you suggested. People see those and reach out wanting your help. Do 5 of these a week and you're making an extra $1,200 to $2,000 every month. You don't need certificates or training, just confidence in your taste and the ability to explain your ideas clearly. 7. Small businesses need someone to handle their Google reviews. When you search for a pizza place or a hair salon or a plumber, what's the first thing you check? The Google reviews. Everyone does it. But small business owners are too busy cutting hair or fixing pipes or making pizza to manage their reviews. They need someone to set up simple systems that ask happy customers to leave reviews. They need someone to respond to reviews so customers feel heard. They need someone to help fix problems when a negative review pops up. You become that person for them. You're their review manager. It's not complicated. You're just being organized and consistent about something they don't have time for. You can charge each business $150 to $500 every month for this. Get 5 local businesses as clients and you're making at least $750 monthly. The work takes maybe 5 to 10 hours per week total once you set up the systems. These businesses see real results too. More reviews means more customers finding them, which means more money for them. When you help them make more money, they're happy to keep paying you. If this helps you find your next side hustle, hit that like button, drop a comment telling me which one you're going to try first, and subscribe so you don't miss when I drop more money-making ideas next week. Look, 2026 is coming fast. You can keep wishing you had extra money, or you can actually do something about it. Pick one of these, start this week, and see what happens. The people making money from these aren't special, they just started.